Hello everyone, this is Mariam and you are watching One India News. Fugitive liquor baron Vijay Mallya's 2-week extradition trial date has been fixed for December 4 after Westminster Magistrates Court in London heard that all the evidence in the case has finally been received from the Government of India and reviewed by the Crown Prosecution Service, that is the CPS. A UK court on Thursday rejected fugitive liquor baron Vijay Mallya's request to shift the final hearing date in his extradition case to next year and fixed it for December 4 this year itself. Mallya, who is wanted in India for Kingfisher Airlines default on loans worth nearly Rs 9,000 crores, has been in the UK since March 2016 and was arrested by Scotland Yard on an extradition warrant on April 18. Here is the video in which Mallya can be seen evading questions of the press and avoided them. Moreover, in one of the responses he said that he has been living in the UK since 1992.
Mallya, there have been fresh, non-bailable warrants against you issued by the Mumbai High Court. What would you like to say?
Nothing.
Please say something.
The fact that about 2,000 pages have been filed as part of evidence.
Mr. Mallya, the court said that you are free to not come, but you still chose to come. Is there any reason behind that, sir? The court said that you are free to not appear, but you still chose to come, sir. Is there a reason behind that, sir?
Why should I answer?
Well, it's your choice, but I'm asking you. That's my job, sir.
We are also curious.
Well, of
Yes,
course
we are
we're
very curious, sir, for your response.
We are
Can you
very
please
curious for your
respond at
response.
any of the questions? That
Sir,
would be
if
great.
you are so keen to comply by the law.
I came to court to see you.
Sir, आप इतना ही अगर law को follow करते हैं, then why did you run away from the Indian law? You know, why didn't you stand trial there, sir?
I've been living in England since 1992.
सर, आपकी इतनी assets, इतना business, इतना काम और इतना पैसा जो आपने इंडिया को देना है, what about that, sir?
India and the UK have an extradition treaty signed in 1992. If the Chief Magistrate rules in favour of extradition at the end of the trial, the UK Home Secretary must order Mallya's extradition within 2 months of the appropriate day. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.